Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. Success is being able to sleep in peace with your soul every night. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. I would rather be a little nobody than to be an evil somebody. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. Notice the people who make an effort to stay in your life. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. The best way to predict your future is to create it. No man is good enough to govern another man without the other's consent. Problems are the doors to opportunity. Never depend on anyone, work hard, and be independent. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Pleasure comes from something on the outside. Happiness comes from within. Give people as much as they give you. Don't waste your 100% for their 10%. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. I will prepare, and someday my chance will come. When people laugh at you, don't react. Don't feel down. Wake up the lion inside you. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Direction is more important than speed. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Complaining is a sign of weakness and reveals how ungrateful you are. Leadership is no longer about your position. It's now more about your passion for excellence and making a difference. At the end of the day, you can only count on yourself because people change. Their priorities change. Their emotions and love changes. I'll do it tomorrow. It is a disease that will kill your dreams. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to success is more important than any other thing. In the end, it is not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. I am rather inclined to silence, and whether that be wise or not, it is at least more unusual nowadays to find a man who can hold his tongue than to find one who cannot.